For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The COVID-19 crisis proved to be too cruel on migrant workers who were away from home. Many have been walking all the way to their hometowns from different cities and states. Looking at this struggle, many individuals, including celebrities, have come forward to help these workers reach home safely. One such actor is Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan. Big B on May 29th arranged 10 buses for the migrant workers to travel from Mumbai to various cities of Uttar Pradesh. Around 250 to 300 migrant workers were sent in these 10 buses. The migrant workers boarded the bus from Haji Ali Dargah to go to their hometowns in Uttar Pradesh. Only 25 passengers were sent in a 52-seater bus to ensure social distancing and safety of the people. 10 such buses were sent and each buses was stocked with necessary equipments like medical kit, masks and hand sanitizers. These special buses arranged for migrants are also stocked with food, snacks and beverages for the entire journey. According to the organizers, this whole idea was the brainchild of Amitabh Bachchan, who was deeply concerned by the sufferings of the migrants since the lockdown. Big B reportedly made a proposal to the Haji Ali Dargah and the Maheen Dargah responded by offering assistance to make all the arrangements. If sources are anything to go by, then this is not the first time that the actor has collaborated with the Haji Ali Dargah to help the migrant workers and needy. Big B also has been reportedly distributing 4,500 cooked food packets every day at various locations in Mumbai city in collaboration with Haji Ali Trust. Apparently, Amitabh Bachchan has been doing this great work since March 28th. That is a few days after the nationwide lockdown was announced in the country. Apart from cooked food packets, Big B has also distributed 10,000 ration packets to date and has provided masks, PPE kits, sanitizers and more to hospitals and police in Mumbai. In fact, the actor has been doing this good work for the past 2 months. With the help of Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited's MD Rajesh Yadav, Big B has been helping thousands of people across Maharashtra. Bollywood's Shahenshah also financed 20,000 PPE kits for frontline workers. The actor didn't just keep himself limited to Bollywood or Mumbai, but also donated 1.8 crore rupees for the welfare of Telugu cinema workers. Apart from the money, Amitabh Bachchan also donated 12,000 coronavirus relief coupons of 1,500 rupees each, which helped the daily wages buy essentials at Big Bazaar stores. A few days ago, Big B also launched Break the Stigma campaign for COVID-19 survivors. Amitabh Bachchan was seen talking about the mental attack that most of the corona survivors are facing.
मानसिक हमला हमें संदेह पैदा करता है, मन में कहीं एक शक पैदा करता है, यहां तक कि हम उस इंसान से भी डरने लगते हैं जो अस्पताल से ठीक होकर घर आया है.
A few days ago, Amitabh Bachchan also participated in I for India live concert to raise funds to fight COVID-19 in India. Big B has shared several awareness messages with his fans too, and he keeps posting some or the other updates about his thoughts and feelings. Overall, Bollywood's Shahenshah is doing a commendable job.